everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week, my second winter / Christmas look. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody, great to see you. Great to be back doing another nail video. This is Nail of the Week and my second winter / Christmas look. And let me tell you, you can't get more Christmas than this. It's green and gold. It's the second color I chose and the second look I chose for Christmas and a winter look. I love the way it turned out. You've got that plaid look. You've got the striping of the glitter there looking like candy canes. I absolutely love micro glitter. Aren't these phenomenal? I love them. And you guys all know that I do a nail design matching what I'm going to wear for the outfit of the day. So I choose the outfit first and then I do the design to match. So I'm excited to show you this is going to be another winter look. My first two looks will be more wintry, which my last one was the blue and the white. And then this is going to be more of a winter look. And then the next two after that are going to be much more Christmas-like. So because then we're getting closer to Christmas. But anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I hope you will try it out. There will be a toe design as always to match. And of course, like I said, the outfit that always goes with each and every look I do. So anyways, before we get started on this video though, I just wanted to show you guys something. My little nephew is down here a lot with me and, you know, Caden, and watching a lot of the things that I do. And my family's pretty artistic. You see, I'm artistic. My brother Rob, he can draw really well. Well, we're starting to find out that everybody in the family, you know, they've all got their own little talent. That my nephew Caden is also a little artist, and he's been watching me do some striping and stuff. And look, he did this nail here to look like a flag from like a racing track. Isn't that awesome? Look at how good he got those stripes. It's just amazing. It's his very first nail design he's ever done. I mean, he's all boy. He's into sports. He's really talented. He plays ball. He's a pitcher. He's really, really, like, he's going to be famous one day when it comes to sports. He's so good at it for being so young. He started very young. But he also is artistic. And I just wanted to show you guys that. I love it. I love what he did. It was so cute when he showed me this. But anyways, let's get started on this design. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my next video. Hey everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for my second winter / Christmas look. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to Nail of the Week. And my second winter / Christmas look, I'm using this beautiful royal green. And I told you guys I'm going to be doing some of the colors of Christmas during this month. So the first one I did was like a royal blue, and now I've got a royal green going. Isn't this gorgeous? Love this color green. It is definitely a Christmas green. I have done that solid all over every nail. It is the Sally Hanson Miracle Gel, and this one is called Style Maker. Very beautiful green. Then I'll be working with acrylic paints, and I've got the apple barrel here. These ones are 50 cents from Walmart right now, so I've stocked up on a bunch. I'm going to be using this cobalt blue and adding in a little bit of black to make it more of a navy blue for the design. And then I'm going to be working with glitters too, these micro glitters I got from Joanne Fabrics. I'm going to be using a gold and a green. And then I will be working with Robin Moses's brushes. I will be working with both the wand right there and the unicorn, and you see her name on there, robinmosesnailart.com. That's what you go to order these brushes. It's a long striper and a, they're both striper, but one is the wand, like to do most of the art is the smaller one there. And I also will need a little bit of white, sorry about that, I will need a little bit of white acrylic as well in there. And then I will top everything off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. So I am going to get going and start some of the art, and I will return to show you guys what I am doing. All right, so you see I have got some of them done in that flannel plaid look on two of the nails. Doesn't that look cool? I'll show you how I'm doing that, be doing it on these two nails. So I'm going to draw in. I'm going to start with the wand of hers, Robin Moses's wand. Okay, I'm going to dip into I made a navy blue. Let me show you. So I've just taken the blue and the black and I mixed, and then I made a little bit darker here too. So I'm going to be working with that and the white. And the white I've watered down. Okay, so we're going to start with the wand. We're going to start with the blue. I'm just going to get a little bit of paint in it. And that one I don't have watered down. So I'm just going to load up my brush here, just towards the end there. About that much paint there. And then I'm just going to come up to the nail. And I want to just draw a line going down. So I'm just going to start here. And I'm just going to anchor and then pull down all the way to the end. Like that. Man, her brushes are just absolutely amazing. All right, then I'm going to go over here and do another one. Anchor. And make this one a little bit thicker. And then I'm going to push more on my brush as I go down so that it keeps it wider. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to make like a box right here. I want to make a box so like there's like a, you know, it's trying to look like a flannel look here. So I'm going to make a couple boxes here. So one there. Then I'm going to do one down to the side here. Just to, you know, just make it look like a box. Okay, and then I'm going to wipe off my brush and go into the darker color I made. It's a darker blue. And I'm just going to go to this side and draw just a thin little line going down, just to about right there. And then I'm going to fill a box in over here of that. Just go to each side like that. Basically, just drawing two lines and then just fill it in. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to wipe it off again. Make sure it's very clean for this step because, well, no, I'm going on to the next brush, sorry. I'm going to go now to her wand, or the unicorn, I'm sorry. That's her long striper. I'm going to get some of this watered down white. And I'm going to do a line going down of the white. So just going to go on the center right here. Anchor. And then I'm going to pull down. Now, because my paint's wet, I'm going to very lightly go over that. You should wait for your paints to dry. And then I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go over this one more time because I need this to be a little bit thicker, white. Okay, just be very careful as you're going over your paints if they're wet, because you want to keep them, you know, good during the design there. I'm just going over so I don't have to keep going off. And then I'm going to come over here and do a little bit thinner as I go down, like that. And then over to the other side, I'm just going to kind of do a couple boxes again, just two lines and then fill it in. So we get some white squares in there too. Actually, I'm going to bring this one over a little bit farther. So I'm going to come into here with that one. And then bring it down. I could be using my other brush for that, but I am not. Okay, then I'm going to go across this design with a small stripe. Just roll your finger as you go around. Like that. And I'm going to do another one down in here. Just anchor and pull across. Like that. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do on the other nail there. Going to get the other one looking like that too. And then we're going to run some gold through it. So I'm going to let that dry up, do the other nail, and I will return to show you the gold part. All right, so now I've got the gold running through it. Isn't that beautiful? It reminds me of a Christmas present now when it's got that gold in it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to draw in. I'm using Robin Moses's wand. And I've made this glitter here. Like I said, you just take a top coat or a base coat and pour the glitter to the side and then, or pour your glitter out and then your clear to the side and then mix it in. And that's what I'm using right there, the gold glitter. Okay, so I am going to dip in and get a little bit on the brush there. I'll show you, like about like that. And then I'm just gonna pick a spot I like and I'm just gonna start running it down the nail, just lightly like that, all the way down because you don't want it to be too thick of a line. And then I'm going to do another one going across now. So I'm going to go right about here and go across like that. I really like that. That's beautiful. And I'm going to do one more tiny one. Actually, I actually kind of like it just like that. I'm not going to even touch it and make it different. I actually like that look right there. So isn't that cute? I really like it. So I will draw back out here. So that is the plaid slash flannel look that I've got going, which it almost looks like a Christmas present there. And now I'm going to work on the glitter nails. I'll return after I have done a few. All right, now I've got the glittery nails. Look at those green glitter nails. Aren't those beautiful with the glitter on top? Love micro glitter. So let me show you. I'm going to draw it in here. And you'll see on my plate here, I have made the glitter, the green. So I'm going to pour a little bit more out because that one's kind of drying out. They do dry out quick if you use a dry fast top coat. The one I'm using is a drier fast one. I should have used a base coat, but I didn't have one here. So, well, in front of me to use. So I just am going to use what I got because I only got a couple nails left to do. So I'm not going to worry about that. Sorry, guys. I had to get this mixed. I probably should have had it mixed before I came on. Just going to get this mixed up quick and just do the one nail there. Okay, and I'm just using the brush. I dip into my mix that I'm making, and I'm just going to use that to pick it up. So here's the nail. I'm just going to go over. I've got the paint like that, and I'm going to go over. And that's why you want a base so that, you know, your glitter isn't like see-through. So it gets that real, you know, opaque color when you have the color underneath. And then just keep doing it till you get it nice, just painting it on all around the edges, the tip, everything, so you get all that glitter goodness in there. So I'm going to get just a tad bit more for down in the cuticle area. Get it down in there. And don't worry if you get too close because you can always clean it off. But like that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love it. Love, 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 love it. So I am now going to let these dry up. Sorry, I'm trying to get that into the bottle. I am now going to let these dry up, and then I'm going to go over with a little bit of gold into the green too. I will return. All right, now look at that with the gold. It's almost like candy cane striping. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you guys on this finger here. Draw it in, and I'm going to use the wand again. That's that shorter one. Dip into the mixture that I made of gold. And I'm going to start off with a thicker line right in the center. You just want to start your center line doing a thicker one. And if you don't get enough glitter on it, just go back and get some more on your brush. But make this one thicker, a thicker line always in the center because you're going to go around it with the smaller lines. So just go across like that at an angle. Then get a small amount of paint and just do, I'm just going to do one little thin line. And another little thin line up here now. And then I'm going to do a thin line at the bottom, just one right down and in here. Whoops, make sure you don't get too much paint. And then I'm going to do a thin one right here, just one. Like that, go over it again so it gets opaque. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to work on the thumb. So I'm going to finish these up. Isn't that just gorgeous, you guys? I love it. These nails really are turning out great. So I'm going to finish up the striping, and then I am going to top coat, and I will show you guys the end product. Alrighty, I am all done, and I love the way this turned out. Isn't this cute? Absolutely love the look of a plaid look. And then, of course, I got like the candy cane stripes on the other nails for Christmas. Isn't this gorgeous? Love that glitter. You can't get better than a micro glitter. It's so beautiful. Love the way it turned out. I hope you guys do as well. Hope you will try it, and I can't wait to show you the toe design and the outfit to come. Take care, everyone, and God bless.